Day 20 of Speaking Basque from Zero. Let's pick the right greeting for the time of day you're at any moment. Errepikatu nire ondoren. Repeat after me. Egunon. Egunon. It means good morning. Now, I lived in Hendaya, in Iparralde, the northern Basque country. And my neighbors or people on the streets throughout the day, didn't matter what time of day it was, I'd hear them say to me, Egunon. Egunon. And egunon, then to me, was good day, is how they were using it. Bai, ados? Jarraituko dugu. Let's continue. Arratsaldeon. Arratsaldeon. Arratsaldeon means good afternoon. Gauon. Gauon. Gauon means good night or good evening. And we have another one. Errepikatu. Gabon. Gabon. It also means good night, good evening. But wait. We have a bonus in Basque that we don't have in English. Errepikatu nire ondoren berriro. Repeat after me again. Eguerdion. Eguerdion. Eguerdi means egu, day. Erdi, half day. What's half of a day? Noon, 12 o'clock p.m. So eguerdi, half. On, good half of the day. Right? Let's practice together. Errepikatu. Egunon. Egunon. Arratsaldeon. Arratsaldeon. Gaon. Gaon. Gabon. Gabon. Eguerdion. Eguerdion. And now for your challenge. Can you comment and use at the moment you watch this video, what is the right greeting to greet me or whoever at that specific time? Bye. Egunon. Arratsaldeon, Gabon, edo eguerdion. And if we're lucky, we may see an eguerdion. Berarte lagun.